Wagwan ENT.
I used to rest them on my knee, you know, but now the strings are broken down. I said I take it away downtown. I said I take it, go check me so brown. See culture, oh Lord, the strings are broken down. Say bang, barulli bang, barulli bang, barulli bang. Say bang, barulli bang, barulli bang, barulli bang, bang, barulli. Hey, you're a Rasta. Down on the beach side in Ocherias, I felt in love with an African girl. One night they found me in Maypen area. Music I dance and Jack Ruby with Deucie when you read it. Sick of you inside you easy. Say nobody, get crazy. Murder! I have come to the microphone center and this is Iowa. So love and unity gotta shine. Still nobody feel no way, you know. But over little special request to all Maypen Heights and all Chapelton Heights and all Kipix Heights, all Instead Heights and all Spanish Town Heights and all over the side. But I would live, bang, yeah, you must stang, bang, bang, come and sit down on the beach side in Ocherias. I felt in love with an African girl. One night they found me in Maypen area. Music I dance and Jack Ruby would play. When you read it, it's like you beside you believe it. Say nobody, get crazy. There is a girl who lives next door. She is my baby and I love her so. And every morning as I wake up, she give me coffee in my favorite cup. That's why, oh Lord, I really love her so. Song, song, whirling, song, song, whirling, whirling, song. Say song, song, whirling, song, song, whirling, song, song, whirling, bang. And song, song, whirling, song, song, whirling, song, song, whirling, bang, bang, whirling, bang. Ain't no making this time place and I feel no way. Beyond the hills like the mountain. Play by Jack Ruby, Marcus Garvey Hi-Powa. Special request to the man called up the law. Man can't follow by these y'all. I used to play my yellow banjo. I used to rest them on my knee, you know. But now the trees are broken down. I said I take it away downtown. I said I take it, go check me so brown. They say culture. Oh Lord, the strings are broken down. See bang, 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 see bang, 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 I can't stand it in a different heart. I used to play my yellow banjo, my yellow banjo, and release it on my nilly. But no the swirlings of blololo, kindalala, it alalab, no you lose to milly. Murder! I'm gonna go to the microphone center in a different style, y'all. Thing I play by the man called Tommy Dreadlock. I'm gonna go to the microphone center kind of y'all. It's been a long time, it's a long time. No. Been a long time, we don't have no night life. It's been a long time, we don't have no night life. All I've been seeing right now, my brother are dying, yeah. All I've been hearing in this and that about me, yeah. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. We don't
have no nice time. But we no have no nice time, no way.
Man, come
The man called First Jack, he must have fool up on ringtone. And the man called Jack Ruby, he must be one of his sound. In that sound he dread low at the microphone stay. Yeah. Him play from Kingston to Montego Bay. Him on the talk of the town. Him on immortal sound. Him on the talk of the town. Anywhere we go, yeah.
play so Jack Ruby come the combination style I play. And I'm about to go to the microphone center saying love is unity and love is love right away. Yeah. I saw the studio do it in the Rasta scene. Yeah. Special request to dread and ballad and comedy, y'all. And all the church go out. Yeah.
Mark my word, no.
Come in and praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. You for praise Him. I thank Him for joy and peace divine. Oh yeah. When I was sad and lonely and didn't know what to do, I thank Him for joy and peace divine. Oh yeah. So you for praise King Jaja, you for praise Him. I you for praise King Jaja, you for praise Him. I thank Him for joy and peace divine. Oh yeah. But when I was sad and lonely and didn't know what to do, I thank Him for joy and peace divine. Oh yeah. I call me smokes and sin, say me smoke it. I say me smokes and sin, say me smoke it. I say me smokes and sin, me ya all the while. Yeah. Can me say all I get for August was a sensi seed, a sensi seed. So I sow it, I sow it, I sow a water it, and I grow it. Then I put me sense in ya all the while. Yeah. I said I get me Rizzle, I pick up on it. And then I get me Chalwa, pick up on it. Said I get me Chalwa, pick up on sense in ya all the while. Yeah. Play with the Kingston I play, man called some dreadlock. And I'm about to come to the microphone center kind of black. And love is unity and love is kind of natural fact. Think on the relaxed girl, but a man called some dreadlock. Play by the one sound in the world. See dreadlock world. Play by Jack Man, call you brown, better walking up the microphone. I'm Papa Culture, sing gonna leave you alone, y'all. Think on the
my kid loves girl. My kid loves girl.
Jack is love and Jack is black and Jack is right. You brown on the road, big punchy Mike.
My dreadlocks girl. Can't you see I'm in love with you? I will never make you wear no frown. I will always make you wear my crown.
Love is blind.
You say you love me madly.
Some dreadlock.
I accept you gladly. Oh you. My dreadlocks girl. Oh you. Oh you. just out of the golden rule. Remember when we were in school,
and we used to
teachers
play.
taught us the golden rule.
When shall we get
My
to
little jealous girl,
and Deucie Ranking?
you see,
And come from Jordan operator.
my little jealous girl,
Man call you from Godfather.
love with you.
Along with you,
Jealous girl, can't you see I'm in love with you?
think all the jealous girl.
My jealous girl,
Live it on the world.
can't you see I'm in love with you? My jealous girl,
Live it on the world.
can't you see I'm in love with you?
When shall we going to jumpy out with? The cookie, the chefy.
My jealous girl, my jealous girl.
Now here come the part two style. Some call it participation on the right, and some call it version. I'll say in a different style. 2K, ooh yeah, don't feel no way when I'm a DJ from night till day. Rub me, I go rub it in the style. Different style. Cause Rosemary will make you like to Bobby. Rosemary will make you like to Bobby. Me say me buy you 90 and Chris TV. Me buy you SETI that you can watch movie. Me make you take the plane like taxi. Me make you shop in a Miami. I know you're gone to Jerry Briggy. Me say you're gone to Louis Lepke. Me say you're gone to Welton Irie. You start to keep careless company. And you are tried with Sister Nancy. But when me smoke me sensei and me feel irie, me whip up down a coconut tree. So put the road to make you like to Bobby. It's the road to make you like to Bobby. You never know, say me DJ Jack Ruby. To say me DJ Jack Ruby. Sound originated from Dunga Ochi. And I Bobby culture at the mic MC. I come here become nice up your community. I come here become nice up your vicinity. In a cultural style. In a cultural style. So Rosemary make your light to Bobby. Me say me buy you 90 and Chris TV. Me buy you SETI, you could watch movie. Me make you take plane like a damn taxi. Me make you film shopping down a Miami. I know me DJ fi Jack Ruby. Lad is sound originate from down a Ochi. And at the MC is Culture Bobby. A man a me we nice up your vicinity. A man a me we nice up your community. A ladder in me culture style. Me drink a jelly and me feel irie. Me smoke sensei on the willow tree. Me drink fish tea, DJ Jack Ruby. Me we nice up your community. Play for the Kingston and play for the feel away. I don't come to the microphone center DJ. Till the morning. Till the sun come shine, till the moon them gone in. Till the star and thing them stop shining. Ooh yeah, no feel no way. I will never drag up me operator. They make music too sweet. Wench inside when music noise, we play them twice and thrice. Nice it on the chicken on the rice. I will never, girl, take a girl like you. On like I'm smoking. I'll never take a riot without saying she love me. I never take a girl like you. Yes, you must be a fool. Who don't like it, got to fight it. Cause this a musical opportunity, a musical crisp biscuit. Coming from Jack the basket. Deucie Ranking.
Take a girl like you, yes. I never take a woman who don't say she love me. I never take a girl like you, yes. You must be good to me. You must be nice to me. You must be intelligent to me, girl.
Flower DJ.
You're the girl that I love.
Jamaican
You're the girl that I want. You're the girl I love from the start, girl. For every little thing I told you, girl, you said it was untrue. That's why I walk out on you, girl. You must be good to me. You must be nice to me.
Man called Cecily wanted by Errol up the game.
Intelligent to me.
Right away. Where my Jack Ruby? In FMC, you must be cut to Bobby.
I never
Deucie Ranking. Special praise to each and every one. Man called Chunky and the man called Shorty. Man called Pata, man called Jumper. I must be the one to Special praise to Pupa and Kasha. I must be the winger. And the junkin' baller. Now here come the part two style of bass and I feel no way. Bobby comes along with that, the brown on the micro, by John the micro. And you push back.
I will never
Special request to each and every one who lives Sharon.
take a girl like you,
Man
yeah.
called Palito in a Chicana. Sharon, she a muggle punk man. Sharon, she a muggle punk man. And every time that me walk up at the high tool stand, see I a concentrate me on cause a fish in the ocean. Carlito say you wanted at the control stand. Carlito say you wanted at the high tool stand. But when me go out at sea, he go try me fish pot. Catch my capac, me catch parrot. Catch woodchuck and that's a natural fact. On the land inside people bubble up a pot. Me grate a coconut and me cut up carrot. Scotch on it, pepper say me throw in a me pot. Me need dumpling and me peel the sheen. A little pumpkin me say me throw them in. Bricky little I call me a bubble pan the scene. Cause anything me eat it up be having protein. Me rice and chicken and bean. Me say me rice and chicken and bean. Cause me say anything me eat it up be ice cold and green. Anything me eat it up be ice cold and green. Beetroot, pumpkin and dasheen. Beetroot, pumpkin and dasheen. Kababi culture company nice up to see. Cause if a fat jaw, see for culture. M for Papa Alan and a Alpha Ruby. A Opa OC, we come in your community. We come nice it up in a cultural style. Cause I have happy culture at the mic MC. You never know that them kill Ranny, but Lou in the vicinity. I have happy culture in your community. I'm a DJ Jack Ruby. All and pull up. Me go tune in Deucie Ranking. See? Man called Deucie Ranking walk out the I-Cho Center.
Right about now, Deucie Ranking to the I-Cho Center. Never unity for everyone in the area. It's the table Jack Ruby Hi-Powa.
Take a girl like you.
Special request to Ranny. I'm slow and low. Ranny did and gone to true. Doobie. Ranny Williams was a Johnny good fella. Ranny Williams was a Johnny good fella. Say Ranny take a little trip down to Canada. Ranny take a little trip down to Canada. We go entertain some foreigner. The first thing me hear some nigga a chat. The first thing me hear some nigga a chat. Ranny Williams have heart attack. Ranny Williams have heart attack. Slang dang dang and you know here. Ranny jump out on the square, you know here. This blue eye full of beer tears, you know here. Say Ranny jump out on the square. Say tell me what this new one gonna do. Come and say tell me what this new one gonna do. Say man you better check for the one Mado. Go watch a man. Come Mado, come and slow, come and dance. Come and say guess what kind of food. Give me slow. Cause guess what kind of food. Mado, give me slow. I touch you, woo, 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 woo. I touch you, woo, 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 woo. And I see company, I see up your area. And I see company, I see up your area. Under the roots and the culture. Come here, pet people say no go like no vulture. You entertained by Jack Ruby Hi-Powa. The other time he said a murder we charge for. But watch a man, we live out with you riots as an entertainer. But the nigga they matter but we all after. Listen, we get we passport, we buy a visa, we take a taxi, we gonna policy that. Then we gone pana here Jamaica. Papa Ruby say they charge for murder. Man we come for nice up your area. Do it Jack, Ranny Williams was a jolly good fella. Ranny Williams was a jolly good fella. Say Ranny take a little trip down to Canada. The Solomon called flip phrase the one can I say for the king song called Jack Ruby from OG. Man call you down, the man call Concha Bobby. And right now I do something at microphone center and man call Fat John collaborator. Special request to all you to a bus chopper. Say hands and make papa with me chopper. Say hands and make papa with me chopper. Man call flip razor. Play picture to the show and no one sound of the area. Special request to the one call Bobby Culture. Man call Bobby Culture. I'm murder me charge for. Latino say me happy barista. Me just come from down a watch you raya. Man call flip razor selection of flip the king.
I will never let it go. I will never let it go. I will never, I've got to hold on every day, in every way. But the things you would say just couldn't be that way. You'll never ever reach if you don't try. Instead you keep on telling all those helpful lies. Just wait and see how things would be when I am free. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me, 'cause I will never let go. I always try. And I've got so much soul, and you wonder why. It's just because I'm so true. You'll be feeling blue when I get through. There's nothing you can do now.
Special request to the man called Bobby Culture with trainer. That's a murder.
I know I do. Whoa, yeah.
Man called Philip Fraser. Play by Jack Ruby Hi-Powa.
I know I'm good.
Yeah.
I will never let go. I always try. And I've got so much soul. You wonder why? It's just because I'm so true. You'll be feeling blue when I get through. There's nothing you can do now.
Flip selection I play. We come part to our play. Say the Jack from the King sound, little way can home.
Bobby come from Manchester, Clarendon. Love and love. Yeah. But I'm in the first to fight too. Man call Mr. Brown. Happens to be the godfather. I don't come to teacher. Yeah. I will never let you go. I always try. I will never let you go. I wonder why. Just because I know Saint Jah are the creator. Call Mr. Brown happens to be the godfather. I don't come to teacher. Yeah. I will never let you go. I always try. I will never let you go. I wonder why. Just because I know Saint Jah are the creator. And I am I savior. I tell you say me change a dirty nigga with obia. Yeah. I will never let you go. I always try, and I got so much soul. I wonder why, just because I know Saint Jah is the King of Kings. I show you say the Lord of Lords. I tell you say the conquering a lion of the tribe of Judah. And some me say come make we dump it down, yeah. And some me say make we rock it down there. And some me say make we step it on the black star line. Come make we rock it on the black star line. Me say me can't take no more tribal war. Me say me can't take no more tribal war. Me say you're looking at the cleaner is a brother against a brother. You listen to the news, it's fear, abuse and accuse. Come make we step it on the black star line. Come make we rock it on the black star line. We say you take up the star, it is a big trouble war. You listen to the news, it's fear, abuse and accuse. You take up the cleaner, it brings a brother against a brother. Make we step it on the black star line. Come make we rock it on the black star line. They say me can't take the tribal honor. They say me can't take the tribal honor. East, west, north and south. I better behave yourself and know what you're dealing about. Say me can't take the tribal honor. Me say me can't take the tribal honor. Me say I will never let you go. I always try. And I've got so much soul. And you wonder why? Just because I know Saint Jah is the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. Conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. I elect of God, if I live in God, say earth rightful a ruler. And when me say I elect of God, if I live in God, say earth rightful a ruler. Come and tell you me say gathering a one by one. Still man gathering 2 by 2. Still man gathering 3 by 3. Still man a gathering 4 by 4. Me say all you really want me do is mash up the fun. Who not big buckle them a fire them gun. But still Papa Ruby come fi mash it down. Still Papa Ruby come fi mash it down. And me say I will never let you go. I always try. And I've got so much soul. I wonder why. I know Saint Jah are the creator, and I know He is the Savior. So change when the wicked with them bag of obia. Well, let's get together like a birds of a feather. You listen to the news, it's fear, abuse and accuse. Come make we step it on the black star line. Come make we rock it on the black star line. We say you take up the star, it
trouble war. You listen to the news, it's fear, abuse and accuse. You take up the gleaner, it brings a brother against a brother. Make we step it on the black star line. Come make we rock it on the black star line. Till they say me can't take the tribal honor. Till they say me can't take the tribal honor. East, west, north and south. I better behave yourself and know what you're dealing about. Say me can't take the tribal honor. Me say me can't take the tribal honor. Me say I will never let you go. I always try. And I've got so much soul. And you wonder why? Just because I know Saint Jah is the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. Conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. I elect of God, ever living God. Say earth rightful a ruler. And when me say I elect of God, ever living God. Say earth rightful a ruler. Come and tell you me say gathering a one by one. Still man gathering two by two. Still man gathering three by three. Still man a gathering 4 by 4. Me say all you really want me do is mash up the fun. Who not big buckle them a fire them gun. But still Papa Ruby come fi mash it down. Still Papa Ruby come fi mash it down. And me say I will never let you go. I always try. And I've got so much soul. I wonder why. I know Saint Jah are the creator, and I know he is the savior. So change when the wicked with them bag of obia. Well, let's get together like a bird of a feather. So right now, black people, right about now, it happens to mix up the musical selection once more. For this fusion, the loving brother man called Gregory Two-Take Isaac. The man come forward and says, the man Gregory Isaac come forward and asks the musical question, says, have you seen my Mary? Tell her to get ready, cause I'm gonna rock this a reggae. Yeah, the man called Gregory Isaac come forward with a brand new shock attack. So if you want to, you could get it at the record shop. Says, double attack, special request to the black experience immortal himself, the man called Jack Ruby. You're my one and only main squeeze, so I'll play your combination too, and I will never turn my back on you. It's has to be a special request and a pop of the man. The milk is called Doobie till the Dancehall, the river fall. The place called, place called, place called. But down the water river fall. But down the water river fall. Yeah, you're a Rasta. You're have you seen my Esmin? Tell her, say that she must rope it. Man, Bobby Culture asks a little question, and so I'm gonna give you a little answer. Say you're bound to be the bounce away. You don't set for crown, you set for hunger, and so you come out to be the winner. But I'm gonna do the shower every hour, the little question I'm gonna answer and say,
if you see my Mary, tell her get ready.
How you mean, y'all?
You can tell her that it's Mr. Dynamite. She's gonna visit her tonight. She must have to give a check tonight.
Must have to visit her tonight. Must have to get a check tonight. You can tell her not to worry, cause I got a brown gonna be there in a hurry. But I say in the darkness, I'm gonna bring you light. And she's gonna hug you up and squeeze and kiss you tonight. And she's gonna hug you and dab you and hug you up and squeeze you tight. Say you must have to get the sex tonight. You must have to get a check tonight. Tell you that you must have to get a check tonight. Have you seen my Mary? She must be gonna Jack Ruby. Say, have you seen my Mary? She must be gonna Jack Ruby. And we gon' dump it in the waterfall. I'm talking about the Deucie River waterfall. Until yourself it dump it in the waterfall. I'm talking about the Deucie River waterfall. Until you say that two will come black and further sat upon a wall. The one on name of Peter and the other name of Paul. say fly away your visa and no fly away your ball. I couldn't find a peace and neither could I never find a fall. And when me take a stop, them get to drop over the wall. They just really drop them with the light in the ball. See we sure gonna mash it up tonight. Till your Papa Ruby gonna jam it up tonight. But until you say if it don't fit in the waterfall. Till you say if it don't fit in the waterfall. I'm talking about the Dancer River waterfall. So talking about the Dancer River waterfall. Yeah! And when I play your rubber dub, I say I that you have to love. You I see when the boxer him I put on him gloves. When I play your rubber dub, I say I that you have to love. Them I jump and I skip like a boxer in a gloves. Say I must have to check her out tonight. Lord, I say me must have to check her out tonight. You know why? When me play the rubber dub, she does a rubber and a scrub. She a jump and a skip her like a boxer in a glove. That's why me must have to visit her tonight. Me say me must have to check her out tonight because I'm sure I'm gonna dump her in the waterfall. I'm talking about the dance or the river waterfall. Special request and Baba the man play Baba song, believes we all they call it love, boom, let love says I'm still playing. We reminder still states that Glenn, as everyone friend, grandfather's a girl's pet, so when you sweat, don't bother fret. That's why I go past here. Them guys that come forward and say special request to all the road of them, especially people who are playing back in the dance. I go on like say I'm a human being in the dance. Trust that mind on how to deal with the sir. Behold, how good enough pleasant to the band street again. And when I defend, I must say badness. And I know say badness and madness. Here comes part 1 playing, you know. Please get this call. Don't bother chuck it, you know. Till you me say badness and madness. Now to me say badness and madness. Yeah, badness and madness. See the badness and madness. And when me say, you want man chuck it, say you must keep the bucket. You want man chuck it, say you must keep the bucket. Me say badness and madness. Now whittle, me say badness and madness. And when me say, you get up every day and a fire LSR. You only a deal with a tribal war. You get up every day and fire LSR. You only a deal with a tribal war. Me say no one can chuck it. Now whittle, say no one can chuck it. Come and tell you about the badness and madness. Now whittle, me say badness and madness. Yeah, because if you walk and chuck it, say you must keep the bucket. You don't keep the bucket, then you have to angle it. Me say the badness and madness. Can't tell you me say badness and madness. Do it! Man, big we are exact saying, Ruby on the street again. Yeah. Kick the badness, him say I'm a defense. Yeah, madness. And when me say, cause if you walk and chuck it, say you must kick the bucket. You walk and chuck it, say you must kick the bucket. If you don't kick the bucket, then you are go angle it. Me say badness and madness. Do it, me say now say that badness and madness. And when me say, the root in the band street again. The badness him say I'm a defend. And when me say that 2 bull can't rain in a one day. Say 2 bull can't rain in a one day. In a me a pen. In a me a pen. And when me say 1 bull a wanna be the pen. Say 1 bull a wanna be the pen. Come here, say 1 bull a wanna be the pen. Sounds kind of scratchy, but yes, the Papa Brown fine lyrics in my teeth. Me say 1 bulla wanna be the pen. Say 1 bulla wanna be the pen. And Papa Ruby man they wanna feed the pen. Continue man they wanna feed the pen. And when me say, go tell the other sound them not chuck it again. Go tell the other sound them not chuck it again. Papa Ruby and they wanna feed the pen. Say Papa Ruby come to solve them problem. Cause if your Papa Ruby are the king every now and then. But here comes another medical shower and we have one special request to the girl called Gwen. But here comes another musical this from Flick Maurice coming from King Night Coca Basket. If your wishes might come on, all you gotta do is ask for it, you know. See we young but dump it in a Maypen town. Special request and family to the man, so you gotta stick around and be no clown. That's when I'm tunes gonna shower down. See we gonna dump it in a Maypen town. See we dump it in a Maypen town. Man called Greg Guys and still come forward and now we better go shower every hour there.
Liquor, acid, herb, smoke, and the dance all night.
Don't bother broke no buckle like you want me no fight.
No bus, no one, no bus.
I beg your grandpa, little girl, I beg your hug her up tight.
And me say, oh, what a feeling.
And then you rock until a broad daylight is alright.
Wonderful feeling, I have.
Wait down on Maypen, so tell it to your girlfriend.
Oh, what a feeling.
Whole lot of feeling. Way down in the infant school down on Maypen Way.
Wonderful feeling, I
have. As a man can come here and find gonna spin a shower every hour way down there.
Can I call all my early days of childhood?
Yeah.
Some wishes bad, while others wishes good. But me say, oh, what a feeling.
Whole lot of feeling.
Wonderful feeling. Wonderful feeling I had.
So make a joyful noise unto the Lord.
What a feeling.
Serve the Lord with gladness.
What
Come before His
ENT?
presence with singing. And go come before His presence with praise. And let the chalice be blessed, let it be blessed. The man Greg Isaac say, make we dump it in a Maypen town. We gonna scrub it in a Maypen town. See we gonna dump it in a Maypen town. See we gonna shower down a Maypen town. Say my name is Hugh Brown and my complexion is brown. I'm gonna dump it in a Maypen town. Yeah.
Some wishes bad, while others wishes good, yeah.
Promoter Doobie, you want it not by me, but at the control or at the bar, wherever you are. Promoter Doobie, I say you want it, but not by me. Me say you want it at the bar, wherever you are, right or y'all. Promoter Doobie, you don't want it by me, but yes, you want it at the bar now. Say that so me say come make we dump it in a Maypen town. Say come make we scrub it in a Maypen town. Till you make we rub it in a Maypen town. Say we gonna shower in a Maypen town. Till you say my name is Hugh Brown and my complexion is brown. I weigh 195 pounds. I'm gonna shower in a Maypen town. Say we gonna dump it in a Maypen town. Till you me say on your way you up and me say on your way down. You better stop in a Maypen town and put on your clothes and come and listen. This a sound of Papa Ruby and the rubber dub sound. The people them a say him a the talk of the town. Them like hear Bobby Culture and you Brown. Until you gonna dump it in a Maypen town. See we gonna scrub it in a Maypen town. See we gonna shower in a Maypen town. Till you gonna dump it in a Maypen town. Until you say my name is Hugh Brown. I was born in Kingstown. I live all the way to come in a Maypen town. I take up the mic and I utter too young. And when me take a stop the dance all till down. They gonna shower in a Maypen town. See we gonna dump it in a Maypen town. See we gonna scrub it in a Maypen town. Till the black people so they got to gather round. Till the black people so they got to stick around. Till the black people so they got to gather round. And Papa Ruby make the box them walk. Say Papa Ruby make the dump them talk. Say Papa Ruby make the cripple man walk. Cause till the Papa Ruby make the dumb man talk. So watch a man, we going to dump it in a Maypen town. Say we gonna shower in a Maypen town. I say my name is Hugh Brown. I was born in Kingstown. My complexion is brown and I weigh 195 pounds. I come all the way down to Maypen town to shower down to the rubber dub sound called Papa Ruby, the talk of the town. Now you come to know the music of this from a big of my wrist sound to make a jump and twist. And this happens to be a special request coming from a King and I Cocoa basket. If your wrist is mine, come on, all you gotta do just ask it. If you can't take Heineken, Red Stripe, beer, better drink a pip or a twist. Now you come to milk of this to make you jump and twist. Music of this can play the crib is on the corner. What a la 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 la. Special request to all the people in the area. Whether you're a man or you're a woman. Run, girl, if your old friend. Talk about your nine, you find new friend. You think new friend better than old friend. Yeah, my man. Say new friend or wises. Say new friend or wises. Say new friend or wises. Yeah, me them a face columnist. They must see a miss. They must see a miss. Play from a big of Maris. Sound to make you jump and twist. Sound to make you move and groove and give a groove. And don't forget that the kitchen and got some food, you know? So what they gotta do is make a move as I will tell it to you, say. Sa da da ding 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 da da ding 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 ding. Oh, Papa Ruby, make your bad song. Continue, Papa Ruby, make your bad song. Come and continue, must say milk and the Milo. Chola Dagada must say milk and the Milo. Oh, baby, say Papa Ruby, make your bad song. Cause say, Papa Ruby, make your bad song. Although you no rule under the until you must say milk and the Milo. Chola Dagada, me say when me was a youth, me never like cocoa. Say when me was a youth, me never drink cocoa. Me prefer milk and Chimilo. Chola Daga, me prefer milk and Chimilo. Chola Daga, Papa Ruby, make your bad song. Chola Daga, Papa Ruby, make your one song. Come with me say, can him no rule under Leon. Come and can tell you say him band under Scorpio. Can tell you say him rule under Scorpio. That's why you tell your Papa Ruby really bad song. Dang dang with them is a walker, right? Come and can tell you I love your daughter, right? Come and can tell you Miss a walker. Cause Papa Brown I really love off your daughter. I said the one who really go and excel, sir. Come and can tell you say she in a folk farm, sir. Dang 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 bang with them is a walker. Hey! Come and can tell you about the culture.
Oh yeah, all the people operator. Other than that, we are gonna ice it up. We are gonna mash it up. Yeah, chicken. Oh yeah, I feel no way when I'm on DJ. Good morning, Mrs. Martha. Beg you sell I'm on a quarter. A the good sense in me, yeah. We go in your area. So good morning, Mrs. Martha. A Bobby love of your daughter. Under the roots, under the culture. But every time I take a good look at chicken. Every time I take a good look in her face, I see my bang. Oh Lord, Mama boy, oh Lord, Mama boy. Say good morning, Mr. Walker. Go right now for Bobby love of your daughter. Here up. My name is Bobby Culture. I come from a Rockford area. I DJ the Hi-Powa. The sound from a Ochiraya. So good morning, Mr. Walker. You say I'm in love of your daughter. And all the roots and love of culture. Cause every time I take a good look in her face, I see my bang. Oh Lord, Mama woy, oh Lord, Mama woy. Me say fi all and pull up Mr. Operator. Make me give them in a different style, sir. Tanati Jerry man aristocrat. Other than that, not the Jody man aristocrat. Cause me born a labor ward, said I don't a jubilee. Say when me did a born, mama whisper to daddy. Say when the baby born, just call him Bobby. And now me turn bigger DJ Jack Ruby. Me we nice up your vicinity. Me we nice up your community. On the cultural styling. Bang ba diddly 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 wow. Bang ba diddly 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 wow. Come out Ruby, make your bed so. Jack Ruby, make your bed so. Dong dill dong dill dong dill dong. Dill dong dill dong dill dong. Oh Lord, Mama woy. Oh Lord, Mama woy. Cause my name is Bobby Culture. I come from a rock area. I DJ roots and culture. In this ya Iowa. Slang bang dillang dillang. Jai. It's down in my heart. It's down in my heart. Yes, the devil doesn't like it, but it's down in my heart. It's down in my heart to stay. Oh yeah. Yeah, you Rasta. Every time I take a good look in a post I bang up. Cause every time Bobby take a good look in her face I see my bank book. Real. God's just so real to me. Stop many people doubt him, but I can do without him. Just real. Oh, just so real to me. Come in so many people doubt him, but I can do without him. God, that's why I love him so, cause he's so real to me. Above the hills there's a valley, above the valley there's a sea, and in the sea lies my baby, sailing on the ship for me. She's sailing on the ship for me. Hey, my name is Culture Bobby. I will nice up your vicinity, and I DJ Jack Ruby. Cause every morning them a give me coffee tea. Me love when the old lady cook for me. Cause when she cook she no spit in her ear. And when she cook she no chat over ear. Me say she love Jack Ruby. Murder! I come to Bobby at the mic MC. So love and unity gotta stand continually. Yeah. Think all water house rap. Urban culture come to play the mumble trap. Murder! My kids are night and double lights. When Glenn happens to be everyone's friend and grandfather of the girl's pet. I say proud to present a night to stereophonic to be held at the place called the infant school on May Pen. Madu along with Django, oh Lord, I'm speed DJ with Sister Nancy. Stereophonic play right on here. Night of love and unity. But right now I come to Bobby at the mic MC. Say the 10th I'm speak a DJ Jamboree. Man called Nicodemus along with Jerry Briggy. At the place called OG, One Music Avenue you see. Yeah. Sounds called Jack Ruby. Hooray.
And especially the question man, middle of the pample, the man shall whistles my command coming down will blow you on. But here comes part 2. It sounds like the firehouse rock, you know. Some call it waterhouse, but firehouse rock. Different rock. Say some call it Kingston Town, Maven Town rock.
Some call it waterhouse, firehouse rock. Oh yeah. Some call it firehouse, waterhouse rock.
Cause this a Maven rock. Cause this a Maven rock. Come and say, as I so make that you better rock. Come and say as I saw me chat you better rock. Come and say rock-a-bye baby on a tree top. Say when to hear Papa Ruby she put on a frock. She come a dance and say she really want rock. As I saw me chat the girl start to rock. Come and say as I saw me chat you better rock. Come and say as I saw me chat you better rock. I will be say some call it Kingston Town rock but me Pentown rock. Yeah, you know. Say some call it Kingston Town, but me Pentown rock. And we be say, come and say, Diana Black, she live over the track. She was a ball and now she turn a dreadlock. But summertime we sit her down and reason and chat. A little of her that me can go a heart of that. She stop wear pants and a wear peer frock. She say she like dear Bobby and you brown chat. She come a Papa Ruby fi come started to rock. Me say, some call it Kingston Town, but this a Maypen rock. Yeah, you know. Say some call it Kingston Town, but Maypen Town rock. You know so me say, till you this a Maypen rock. Say Maypen rock. Say me a pen rock and see the dancing down the block and this a me a pen rock. Say me a pen rock. Say me a pen rock and see the dancing down the block. Say when me was a youth and me live man down spot. And when me was a youth and me live down for one spot. Every day the root one them a fire peer shot. And little of that them gonna down a dove cut. Me say some call it Kingston Town, but me Pentown rock. Yeah, and when me say as I saw me chat you better rock. Come and say as I saw me chat you better rock. Me a go play it with a double attack. Yeah.
We are Bob Country rumping on the microphone. If you see what I mean, enter now gotta be pure and clean. Cause in the time of old, when man was bold, and ganja pipe it's never even run cold. I used to lick a 1-5 feeling contented. Cause ganja is my light and is my salvation. Lick a call the piper if my meditation. Cause Satan is a beastie old man. God if I catch him I would lock him in a box. Lock up the box, I would have throw away the key. Cause all those tricks the guy play on me. And I would have salvation. And I would have salvation. Cause lot of things to come, lot of things to fall. The Obia boy are looking at him crystal ball. The chop don't fall, who he made so bad. The sister want money fi go shop down a mall. But when she get me done, she can't play crown and anchor. She say fi spot and beachy banker. Cause Jack Ruby Hi-Powa. Yeah, cause in the time of old, when man was bold, and ganja pipe never invented, I used to lick a 1-stiff feeling contented. Cause ganja is my light and my salvation. I smoke a cali pipe, I get a meditation. I read St. John and Corinthian. I said I read up limitation and a revelation. I keep it in my meditation. I come for nice up Clarendon. I come for nice up Clarendon. Cause miss a lot of things to come and miss a lot of things to fall. We chop up all cause the men so called. A special request to all Fernie Avenue. I see in a different styling. I know chicken chassis, I know chicken chassis, I know chicken chassis make me payment so I see a the good sensey, a the good sensey, read, whoa, way, in a different style. Come on, the best thing in your life all free. You better run, come tape Ruby. Watch out. Special question man called Chunk for. and Daddy Brown song.
Jack Ruby, Jack Ruby, Jack Ruby, Jack Ruby.
Man called Deucie Ranking.
One sound on the universe.
One of the actual so what is your eye?
Living in culture.
Wagwan ENT.